So guys, I'm gonna try to find a clear spot where I can get up.
I'm curious to know if you guys want to see what BMW X3 30i can do on the draggy. Now we'll go over the specs, or I have gone over the specs of this 2019 BMW X3 30i. I'm gonna do a review on it. So if you guys want to see a little bit more about that, you can definitely check that out. Here we're just trying to see how it stacks up on the draggy. We get some of the times, you know, to see what the entry-level X3 is capable. Now, a couple things I will tell you, it does have the 2-liter 4-cylinder, weighs probably, it weighs about, I would say, 5,000, 6,000 pounds, and has X-Drive.
So should be ready. I'm gonna go ahead, it's in sport mode, and put it in sport plus. Just slap it over. And
30, 60,
and that was
quarter mile.
okay. So quarter mile definitely was slow because I let out of the gas before the quarter mile. So what I have is the 0 to 30 is 2.44 seconds. 0 to 60 is 6.88 seconds. That's pretty good.
So guys, I have the vehicle, we're parked over, I have the times, it's just exporting right now. So now guys, next up is our 60 to 0 braking test. I have to find somewhere to do this safely, so give me a second. I'm gonna load it up on the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna load it up on the camera and we're gonna see.
60.
60.
I'm not sure exactly what happened. I didn't really pick up that 60 to 0 at all. I mean, I did 60 to 0. You guys seen it. It didn't pick it up, or it didn't give me a stat or number for it. So, the more I drive this thing, the more I like the luxury, like the amenities, I guess you'd say. And I kind of wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So we're going to go into a nice little POV for you guys, a little nighttime POV, to show you how the car looks at night with all the little lights and little things going on. All right, guys, on to that. So real quickly, some of the things that I noticed. The lights on the doors, you have two lights. You have a higher and a lower light. I think they are two different shades. I think one's a lighter blue and the other one's a darker blue. I'm not sure if it's just because it's bouncing off of the black leather. That looks real nice. The same accent lighting in the back seats. It's pretty dope. The light's not too bright either, not too dark. It's kind of nice. You have your climate. I'm gonna turn the climate on. At night, the climate lights are orange, to say orange. I like it though. The sunroof let a lot of light in. This panoramic roof lets a lot of light in. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look on the exterior at night. Reason why I do these things at night and the daytime is because when you're owning this car, you really wanna see what it looks like at night as well in the daytime, because at night At night, they tend to look a lot more aggressive. You know, you get to see the tail lights. Go closer up on the wheels. These are the standard 19-inch wheels. You know, nothing too spectacular. This car is a bit dirty. However, this will give you a better visualization on it at how it looks at night. The grills are huge, but for this truck, it's not too big. I think that's the biggest I would go as far as the grill size. Nice little piece on there. Looks like a little wing. Car sounds super, super quiet, as it should. That's pretty much it. You have the lines when you access the vehicle. I don't know where that light is coming from. Oh, it's actually, wait a minute. No, it's not. Where is it coming from? Oh, wow, it's coming from the normal puddle lamp location. Wait, no, it's not. Where is that light coming from? Oh, wait. Okay, listen. I don't know where that light is coming from. It's BMW's magic trickery, but that looks really nice. It's like a little pathway to entering your car. See, check that out. That's really nice. BMW stepped their game up with this. These back seats at night. One thing I'm happy that BMW did, you put the unlock button on the door instead of the center console. Looks at night with the lights on it. But we're gonna get into more of a real review in the daytime. Mike for So Speed. Like, comment, subscribe. I thank you guys.